think about it.
Okay. For real? I've already went ahead and I've done this one. And I'm just gonna let it dry and then head over to complete the back. So that's the front. We're gonna work on this one. Welcome back, one and all, to Galatians Designs, Alpha and Omega Part 2, concluding part. Hope you enjoy. Stay tuned. Next, I'll be applying white acrylic paint to alpha letters. Once I've applied the paint, I will allow it to dry and then apply the metallic gold paint over the letters. Okay, so here I'll finish applying the white acrylic paint over the letters. So in the meantime, to wait for it to dry, I'll be applying the metallic colors over the blue, red and brown areas. So starting with the blue, I'm applying the purple acrylic over the blue marker pen, and this will dry completely blue and very vibrant to aid with the effect. Okay, here I'm still applying purple metallic acrylic paint over the darker area, and that's just to, once it dries, to allow it to have at least a dark army blue effect. Okay, so here I'm applying the metallic green over the brown marker pen. So once it's dried, it should give off a olive or army green effect, metallic looking effect. So once it's dried and the desired look or color doesn't appear to what you want, the desired effect you'd want or the look you'd want, you can go ahead and apply another layer of metallic green, that pop of green color that you're looking for. Okay, so now I'm going ahead to apply the red metallic over the red marker pen, so they should dry very vibrant and pop in red in contrast to the green, olive metallic and blue metallics. Okay, so here now I'm applying the gold metallic over the letters now that the white paint is dry. Okay, so I've completed this first layer of Alpha and Omega. So now it's dried. You can see the colors and how they look compared to Omega. The Alpha is not as bright because that's what I wanted, It's as though it's like an into a story analogy to say when it starts it's not so bright sometimes, and I mean there's a little bit of hint of darkness in that same color there, but then in the end everything's perfect. So all is bright, all is nice and popping, So now here's the final part, now turning over to the back. Okay, so I applied white acrylic paint for a primer. Just applied 2 layers of red acrylic paint and then allowed it to dry and waited for it to dry, and so completes and painted Alpha and Omega earrings. Thank you all for watching. God bless. Bye.